Snove.io's starter plan runs about $39 a month for 1,000 credits, and finding an email costs 1 credit. That part's cheap. But here's what catches people off guard. A full deliverability check on that email costs 25 credits, not 1. So if you actually want to know the email works before you send to it, your real cost per contact is a lot higher than the sticker price suggests. LinkFinder AI keeps it simple. 1 credit, 1 price, no separate verification feed bolted on. Before we start, go to the video description and click the first link to access LinkFinder AI. Then create a free account by clicking Start Free Trial. No credit card needed, and you get free credits to start. Let's find a contact. Give LinkFinder AI a name and a company, Sarah Johnson at Salesforce. Click Enrich Data, and it finds her LinkedIn profile. Now take that LinkedIn URL and ask for the full profile data instead. In a few seconds, you get back a lot more than just a link, including a real email address, sjohnson@pltw.org, tied directly to that profile. 1 credit, 1 lookup, no add-on charges. Once you're working with a list instead of 1 person, switch to Upload CSV Bulk. Drop in your CSV, LinkFinder AI processes every row the same way, and you export the finished file when it's done. No per-check verification fees stacking on top. And if you want it running in your own stack, LinkFinder AI has a full API. The LinkedIn profile to email endpoint does exactly what we just did in the browser. 1 credit, 1 request, straight from your CRM or your own code. That's the real difference. Snove.io nickel and dimes you for verification on top of the lookup. LinkFinder AI just gives you the contact for 1 flat credit. If you want to try it yourself, the link's in the description, and you get free credits to start.